Hola, Pinoy Pajakero here. If you own an old beater car, chances are you will experience sticky accelerator pedal. This happens when either your cable is frayed, your floor matting is interfering with your accelerator pedal, the accelerator cable is frayed and needs replacement, or the most common cause is that the butterfly valve in the throttle body is dirty with residue. First step is to remove the air intake hose. Step 2. Spray throttle body with throttle body cleaner. Make sure engine is cold and off. Step 3. Wipe off dirt with a clean rag. Step 4. Replace air intake hose and make sure everything is tight and in place. This is one of the basic car maintenance you can do using common tools, and this is an easy fix and you can do it. Till next time, this is your Pinoy Pajakero.